In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Planoly subscription in just about 5 minutes. Perhaps you've decided Planoly isn't quite the right fit for your social media planning and management needs, or maybe you're tightening your budget. Whatever the reason, I'll guide you through the cancellation process, step by step, to make it as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Planoly website. It's the gateway to managing your subscription, and the URL is www.planoly.com. Once there, you should see the homepage of this popular social media planner and management tool. It's here where your journey to cancel begins. Hover over the Login button at the top right corner of the page. It's a small but crucial step to access your account details. This button will open up a drop-down menu that will lead you to the next step of the process. Next, you'll want to click on Social Planner. It's one of the options that appear and directly relates to the type of service you are using with Planoly. Clicking Social Planner is your gateway to accessing your specific subscription details and taking the necessary actions to manage it. Now it's time to log in to your account. Go ahead and fill up the login form with your information. This includes your username and password. Make sure it's accurate, then click Login to proceed. If you've forgotten your details, now would be a great time to use the Forgot Password feature to regain access. Once logged in, navigate to the Planoly Social Content Planner. This might seem a bit repetitive as you're already in the Planoly ecosystem, but think of it as moving into a more specific section of the site where you can manage your content and, importantly, your subscription. At this point, you should be able to see your profile icon located at the lower left corner of the page. Clicking this will bring you closer to the area where you can adjust your subscription settings. It's a small but significant step towards cancellation. After clicking on your profile, look for the billing option. It's here where Planoly handles all things related to subscriptions, including upgrades, downgrades, and, yes, cancellations. This is where the meat of the cancellation process happens. Now, if you're already subscribed to a plan, which you are if you're looking to cancel, you'll find the options to manage that subscription here. This includes the much sought after cancel option. It's important to review the details of your cancellation. Sometimes there are terms that include how your service will end, whether immediately or at the end of the billing cycle, and it's good to be clear on these to avoid any unexpected surprises. And there you have it. Following these steps will lead you to successfully cancel your Planoly subscription. It's always a good idea to double check that the cancellation has been processed correctly. You might receive a confirmation email from Planoly, so keep an eye on your inbox. And if you have any trouble along the way, Planoly's customer support is usually very helpful and responsive. One final tip, before you complete your cancellation, think about why you're leaving Planoly. If it's a matter of cost, sometimes companies are willing to offer discounts or other incentives to stay. And if it's a functionality issue, make sure you've explored all the features Planoly offers. Sometimes there are hidden gems that could make the tool more valuable to you than initially thought. Cancelling a subscription, especially one that's tied closely to your business or personal projects, is a significant decision. But if you've thought it through and decided it's the right move, following these steps will get you through the process smoothly. Remember, managing your subscriptions actively is a great habit, ensuring you're always getting value from the services you opt into. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this.